Hi everyone. Today we want to learn how can use the land surface temperature data from the MODIS satellite. In the first step, need to open the code.earthengine.google.com, and after this, click on the new scripts. And after this, here we need to determine the study area. I used the London area for this purpose. And if I run this here, as you can see, the map zoom on London. And after this, we need to define the function to convert MODIS land surface temperature. And I want to surface temperature be in a Celsius. Write this code. Function to convert and function convert to Celsius image, and I define the var LST equals image.select LST day, and we have a 1 kilometer, and I will show after this. And we need to add the multiply to 0.02 and subtract 273.15 and return lst.set system time to start. We define later, and you can see. And after this, we need to define the function to get mean, and I want to get a mean in the summer. I write the code like this to the function get LST for the year, and I define the variable for the collection equal e dot image collection, and I use the MODIS one. And for the know that what dataset we use it here, you can find the detail of MODIS data here. This is a Terra land surface temperature, 8-day global with 1 kilometer. Spatial resolution and availability from 2000 until now approximately. And with this dataset, yeah, you can review the descriptions. With this dataset, we have a bonds, and you can see the description of a bonds, and you can download the user guides, and yeah, the review the user guide of this satellite. And after this step, yeah, I filter the data, I define the year plus I want to be in a summer 0601, and in date is a year plus 0831, and after this the conversion map to the Celsius. I use it this convert to Celsius. I have a function for this, change it from the Kelvin to the Celsius, and after this return the collection.mean values. And after this part, we need to add the visualization parameters. I used this visualization parameter and use the mean value 20 and maximum 35, and my palette I use it as a white, yellow, orange, and red. White will be minimum and red will be maximum. And in another step, need to add the load and display summer LST for 2020 for the London, and I define the var LST 2020 and equal get LST for year. You can see the function of a get LST for year above, and I defined it the year. Yeah, and as you can see in the function, the input variable is a year, and year goes to here to extract the start and end date from this dataset. And after this, in the final steps, we need to add this variable on the map. I added the map dot add layer LST 2020 and visualization parameters. I defined the above and write to the description about the LST summer 2020. And if I run this code, you can see we have LST and the description of a layer. I write it here, you can see here. And yeah, I have it for all world, but yeah, I zoom it on London because yeah, in the city area, especially in the hot ones, we have a high land surface temperature, and you can yeah compare this one with the 2000 with the changing the dates and one again, and you can see in summer 2000 we have a less high land surface temperature rated than 2020. And you can explore more with the clicking in inspector and clicking this to extract the point as this, and you can see, for example, this point LST is a 29, or other area, for example, 30. For example, for this white area, if we select, we have a 20 degrees, and if we want to investigate more why we have a low LST here, you can see because we have a water area and vegetation area, and we have a low surface temperature. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe and like and watch all other videos.